Stop a post-nasal drip cough. If there is excess mucus in your sinus cavities, post-nasal drip is triggered. Since the excess mucus gathers at the back of your throat or nose, you get to experience a number of unpleasant symptoms. You may be bothered by nausea, sore throat, congestion, and coughing. In some instances, you may also complain about your difficulty in breathing. A post-nasal drip is primarily results from pregnancy, hormonal fluctuation, allergy, or cold. Now, if your post-nasal drip is caused by your cough and you wish to stop it as soon as possible, consider employing these suggestions. Determine what instigated your condition. Go back a bit and figure out what caused your health predicament. Was it triggered by your allergy? You can manage it by taking medications with antihistamines. You can some of the readily available over-the-counter brands from your local pharmacy. Was it prompted by your cold? Consider eliminating your excess mucus. Again, simply scour the appropriate over-the-counter medication from your community pharmacy. If your condition has been due to the fluctuation of your hormones or your pregnancy, don't just take any medication. Seek the opinion of a medical practitioner. Taking a medication that has not been approved by your doctor may lead to complications. Be wary. Use a nasal spray. There are numerous nasal spray brands that you can get over the counter. You can rely on any of those in treating your post-nasal drip. A nasal spray can help reduce, if not totally eliminate, the excess mucus in your throat or nose. You can expect to experience some improvement in no time. Medical practitioners advise to limit your nasal spray use. You should already stop after 3 succeeding days. Beyond that period, you may already damage your nasal cavities. Never take chances. Bear in mind that 3 days is long enough. Stay away from dairy products. Realize that dairy products can worsen your condition. They can thicken the excess mucus in your throat or nose. In other words, they can make your post-nasal drip a lot worse. So, if you desire to let your condition more bearable, veer away from ice cream, cheese, yogurt, and milk. Drink a lot of water. Water can help in thinning your excess mucus. When that happens, the mucus buildup is going to be prevented. Your coughing is also going to be lessened significantly. Aside from water, you can even enjoy clear liquids such as fresh juices and herbal teas. Prepare a salt solution. It is easy to prepare. Get a glass of warm water and then add on a half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. When you have totally dissolved the salt, gargle the solution. The solution is going to dislodge your excess mucus. When you clear your throat and nose, your condition is going to improve. If you desire to achieve better results, gargle the solution at least 2 times a day. If your post-nasal drip doesn't get better soon, set an appointment with your doctor. You need to learn more about your condition. You should never self-medicate, especially if you have been under the supervision of a healthcare specialist.